Hi everyone, I am Julie Schiffman with julieschiffman.com. And if you are someone who hates to go to the dentist, whether it's to get your teeth cleaned or for a procedure, you are not alone. Do you know that 1 in 5 people are terrified to go to the dentist? And unfortunately, because of these fears, some people won't go for their annual checkup or their cleanings, which are so important for overall health and well-being. I've actually worked with so many people who have had the same fears, and tapping seems to work really well to help reduce the overall anxiety about seeing the dentist and going through particular procedures. So let's start tapping. As always, please remember to take responsibility for your own emotional and physical well-being, and be sure to reach out to a tapping practitioner if needed. I want you first to just think about going to the dentist, going to see the dentist, going to sit in the chair, getting your teeth cleaned. If there's a particular procedure that you need to have done, I want you just to imagine for a moment that you are there and connect to all your feelings and emotions around it. Connect to the fears, connect to the uncertainties, connect to the what ifs. Connect with the fear that you can't jump up and get out of the room, that you can't leave, which of course you can if you need to. But I want you to just be aware of all those thoughts that you're having around it. And 0 to 10, what's the intensity of that fear and that discomfort? 0 is nothing, 10 is through the roof, and there's no chance that you're going to be going to the dentist anytime soon. So I want you to rate it now, and we're going to come back to it at the end of this tapping round and see where you're at. So I want you to go ahead and take a big deep breath in and let it out, and just get comfortable in your chair for just a moment while we go through this. When you're ready, tap on the side of your hand. Even though I have all this anxiety about seeing the dentist, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I'm just terrified. Just thinking about it makes me anxious. I can't go. I don't want to go. I accept all my feelings about this, and wherever it comes from. Just acknowledging it. And I'm open to changing my story. Even though it's been hard to accept myself with all this anxiety about seeing the dentist, about sitting in the chair, feeling like I can't escape if I want to. I just can't bring myself to go. I'm scared. I love, honor, and accept myself anyway. And I'm open to creating a shift and feeling more at ease in my body. I'm so scared to go to the dentist. I just can't do it. It makes me panic. And I feel so vulnerable. This fear of going to the dentist. I'm afraid of being in pain. I'm afraid it's going to hurt. Maybe I hate all the noise around me. The sounds of the drills, or any other sound. I hate the lights in my eyes as I lay back. Maybe I don't like their hands in my mouth. Maybe I feel trapped. Like I can't get up if I need to. And this makes me feel really vulnerable. like I'm stuck there with my mouth wide open. And it's so uncomfortable. All this anxiety about seeing the dentist. And it may not be about my actual dentist as a person. Maybe I even like the dentist I chose. I chose this doctor to take care of my teeth and my mouth and my health. But I don't like what's going on around me and to me. I don't like the sounds in my mouth. I don't like the drooling or the smells in the room. Maybe I don't like the tools in my mouth. I just don't like any of it. This anxiety about seeing the dentist. I just don't like anything about it. What if it hurts? I think it's going to hurt. Maybe I remember that one time that it hurt. This anxiety about the procedure. Feeling trapped. Feeling like I can't leave once I'm in the chair. But I wonder if it's possible to see this differently. Because the truth is, I am creating more anxiety by not going. I know I need to go. And a part of me may even want to go for my own health and well-being. My health is important to me. And I want clean teeth. I want healthy teeth. And healthy gums. I wish I could relax about this. But I can't. All this anxiety. But I wonder if this can actually be okay. Here are some things that I can do. Things that I have control over. I can choose a doctor who understands my needs. I can discuss the procedure ahead of time and make sure I understand. I can tap before I go. I can even tap while I'm sitting in the chair. And I'll talk about this later. I can focus on my breathing. I can sing a song in my head. I can put on my earphones and listen to music. I'm open to relaxing about this experience. I am hopeful that it will be okay. And the more I can relax now, the better I will feel when I'm there. What if this can be easier than I think it will be? What if my dentist takes good care of me? What if I can get this procedure or cleaning done? and feel really good about it? What if it's not as bad as I think it will be? What if I can relax? Knowing this experience will be good for my overall health. What if I feel totally relieved when it's over? What if I can see this differently? What if this can be a decent experience? For me and my dentist. I will be so happy when I get it over with. And my teeth and gums will be happy too. I'm healing any past parts of me that have been challenged or scared at a dentist appointment. I am healing any past parts of me that have felt vulnerable seeing the dentist or any other doctor. I am open to trusting that this can be okay. That I'm safe in my body. That I'm safe in the chair. I'm in good hands with my dentist. I'm breathing. I'm okay. I am brave and courageous. I am safe. Feeling relaxed in my body. And I am safe in the dentist chair. I am taken care of. And getting all of my dental needs taken care of. And so it is. Tap your wrists together and say peace. Take a big deep breath in. And let it out. Good job. Pay attention to how you feel now. 0 to 10, what would you rate the anxiety when you think about going to visit the dentist, about being in the chair, about having a procedure done? If it's come down even a few points, that's a really good thing. Keep tapping until it comes down even more. If you've had a traumatic experience with a dentist or a procedure in the past, then I would highly recommend reaching out to a tapping practitioner to help you with this so that you can let go of things from the past. That can really help you in moving forward. And lastly, as I mentioned before, here's how you can tap as you're sitting in the chair. You can tap on the sides of your fingers. Just like this. You don't need your hands when you're sitting in the dentist chair. And if you have a drape over you or something else, it doesn't even matter. You don't even have to have anything over your hands. Just sit there by the chair. You can rub the sides of these points. You can just rub them and breathe. You don't even have to say anything unless you want to, or take some of the statements we said here in this tapping. So you can do this, you can do this, you can close your eyes, you can imagine yourself tapping on these points, whatever works for you. As always, thank you for tapping for me. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any tapping videos just like this. And be sure to comment below if you found this to be helpful for you. And as always, keep tapping.